Back at it. First float of 2022, I guess it is, isn't it?
Yep.
Smallmouth Creek.
March what? 5th?
Yep, March 5th. Good afternoon, guys. Thank you all for tuning into the channel. It is our first trip of the 2022 season, and we're excited to be out here. It is early March. It's March the 5th, I believe it is today. We have stolen some weather. It's a beautiful day out today. It's been in the 60s all week. It's going to be in the 70s today. So Larry and I chose to come out on Smallmouth Creek, one of our favorite little creeks that we fish. I hope to this year do a lot more tip videos and kayaking tips, those types of things. So make sure if you're watching, hit that subscribe button. I want to bring a lot more of that along with our fishing trips this year. We're going to get back to fishing. Hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching. I started doing YouTube videos for two reasons, and the first one I'm going to share now, and the second one I'll share later in the video, so make sure you stay tuned to find out what that second reason is. But the first one was just to create a basic fishing log. I've always kept one. I kept it on paper or on a computer over the years, but I've lost those, and so I got tired of losing them, and I thought YouTube would be a great place to store those and always be able to go back to them. So on my videos this year, I'm going to add a little bit more information: air temperature, air pressure, the flow, those types of things that you keep on a basic fishing log. So make sure you stay tuned to find out what that second one is. First smallmouth, Larry. Not a bad one. He's a little, he's okay. It's over here in this shade.
Where you get at?
Over here in this shade, about 20 feet up in that shade. First smallmouth of 2022. Mega bass jerkbait. Yeah, he's not bad. I know one thing, I got too much stuff in here. Yeah, I'll take it. $13 3/4. Not bad for the first fish of the year. 13 3/4 smallmouth. First smallie of 2022. Okay, I'm going to share a little more fishing log information here. Larry caught this fish on a jerkbait. I'm not sure the type or color, but that was really the only thing we got bites on today. It was really slow. The wind, you can hear in Larry's camera, was really kicking up. so that made conditions tough. We threw spinner baits, we threw crankbaits, I threw the tiny child rig quite a bit, but the only thing we got bites on was the jerkbait. Smallmouth Creek Smalley. The second reason I started doing YouTube videos was to break down the film to see what I did right or wrong, similar to what a football coach would do after a game with his players, to analyze their mistakes. And here's an example of one of my mistakes that I can see by watching this film. I'm fishing here, I use braid to leader, and the braid, you can really feel those fish when they hit. And I felt a tap in my line, got a little excited, afraid I was going to miss it, so I didn't take the time to reel all that slack out of my line before I set the hook, and as a result, didn't get a good hook set and lost this fish. You can see after I reel it in, I didn't even have to readjust my yum dinger. The hook didn't penetrate through the plastic.
There's a good one there.
That's my mistake there, cost me a fish. So that's another reason I started doing it.
Dang, that was a hog. Ah, tiny child rig. Man, I saw him. He was good. He was a 17, 18 incher.